First you start and you start.
Hello,
Hi.
coming back. Now this is my friend from
India.
India. So you can introduce yourself.
Hello, my friends. My name is Shubham Rawat. I am from India. Basically, I belong from the north part of India. You know about north part is like Himalaya, the range of Himalaya. I live there. So today our chef introduced me. I don't know what happened now. So let's start.
So this day is we talking about the Hindi language.
Okay.
Still the same in the animal series. How to say dog in your language in Hindi?
We call in my language is different and in Hindi is different. So
Ah,
basically everybody knows Hindi. No, in India if you come, so everybody knows Hindi. So I can tell you in Hindi. So in Hindi it's like dog means kutta.
Kutta.
Yeah.
Okay. Dog in Indonesia language is anjing.
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 Asu also here like that.
Asu is the what's it? Supposed to be asu, but Indonesia use the dog for the language.
Okay.
And then the next is cat,
Cat we call Billy.
Billy.
Yeah.
In Indonesia, cat we say kucing.
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 In our place, Kucing is a place. No,
That's
if
the name
you go
of the place.
yeah. If you go in Indian cruising, you can find Cochin.
I go there coaching before. I was in the coaching before. And then now is how to say in your language a lamb.
Lamb. Lamb is like a bhed.
Hmm?
Bhed.
Bird.
Bhed.
Meh. In our language we call kambing.
Kambin.
Kambing.
Kambin.
Kambing. How about the next is cow?
Cow is we call Gai.
Hmm?
Gai.
Guy. Cow in Indonesia language we call sapi.
Sapi.
Yeah.
But if you come to my place, there are no food like cow. Like you eat beef, everything, no? In my place, nothing there because it's holy place of Hindus.
So yeah. I mean, yeah, they make it the holy is the
Yeah.
one holy.
Not holy, the holy, no, we can pray. The Hindus,
Yeah.
where
They respect for the
Yeah.
cow.
we pray for the cow.
And then how about the butterfly?
Butterfly, we call titli.
Titli.
Yeah.
Titli. Butterfly in my language we call kupu-kupu. Indonesia language. Kupu-kupu.
It's like a Hindi song, no?
What the song?
Like it's Koyal Sitei Boli, it's kuku kuku. Very old song.
Yeah. The India is famous in our country. Too much famous. And then the next is fish.
Fish, we call machli.
Machli.
Yeah.
In Indonesia language we call fish. Ikan.
Ikan.
Ikan. And then the next is rabbit.
Rabbit, we call khargosh.
Kargus.
Khargosh.
Kargus. In Indonesia language we call kelinci.
Kelinci.
Kelinci. The next is lion.
Lion is sher.
Sure.
And then in the lion family we have a tiger, we call bag. Leopard, we call tendua. Cheetah. And no panther. Panther, we call bagheera.
Bagheera.
Yeah. Like in Mowgli, you know Mowgli?
The black one, no?
Yeah, black one. We call bagheera.
Bagheera. But in Mumbai they stay there, no? Because now I just see some is program TV, no? The Mumbai is become more population,
Yeah.
and then even the jungle they become the
They
human
consider-
population.
Yeah.
No?
If you come in India, no, India is the second largest population in the world.
Yes.
So now we have land, too much land and forest also. But in north part you see too much lands. But if you go in the sea sites like Mumbai, like Chennai, Delhi, if you go Delhi, you didn't find any tree, any park. They can make a man-made park, but they grow trees, but not natural, nothing natural there.
Like a plastic, something
Yeah,
like
and-
imitation.
Yeah, not the plastic. They can grow, no. There's just only one place. They make one, park.
Yeah.
They go for morning walk and everything, no, for exercise like that.
For
Only that man-made.
green place.
Yeah,
Green
only
side.
that. Yeah, only those few place like 1 kilometer round, 2 kilometer round like that only.
For the people get the fresh air there, right?
No fresh air there in Delhi. It's the second polluted city.
Polluted city.
Second or third maybe. Top 10 basically. Also, if you go with the flight, no, you can't see down. Delhi, how is Delhi look? If you fly to top of the sky, no?
But maybe too much high building there. No, New Delhi.
No, there's too much people there. Too many people.
Crowded.
Yeah,
also.
very crowded.
Started crowded.
Also, if you go in by walk, no,
Mm-hmm.
you can go fast. If you drive a car there, you go slow.
Because
Too much
traffic.
traffic. Yeah, too much.
Whether by bicycle, motorcycle, or
Better you go for walk and take metro. Better option.
That's very good, no?
Yeah.
And then the next we back to the one. How to say crabs?
Crab is kekada.
Kekla.
Kekada.
Huh?
Cake.
Kekla.
Da. Da.
Kekla.
Da. Da. Da.
Kekla. Kekla.
Cake. Cake.
Kek.
Da.
Kekla.
Da.
Ada.
Cake da.
Kek ada.
Yeah.
Kek ada.
Yeah.
Kek ada. Ada kue. Crabs in Indonesia language we call kepiting.
Kepiting.
Kepiting. Kapitan. No, kepiting. And then how to about the prawns?
Prawns we call jinga.
Jinga.
The small one, no
Yeah.
jinga.
Yeah, because I listen somebody say jinga
Yeah.
prawn.
Jinga curry, like when Indian makes, no? Jinga prawns, like jinga curry and butter garlic prawns we make.
Butter. In Indonesia, prawns we say udang.
Udang.
Udang. The Madiolis people.
Udang, like that.
And then the next is deer.
Deer is like we call hiran.
Yeah, that is a small dot, no?
Yeah, with the
Yeah.
what do you call? I forget that one. The
Thorn.
no, yeah, horn.
We call I don't know, deer. Maybe kancil or rusa. Rusa or kancil because there is a
Different.
small like this, no?
Yeah,
And then like this is a rusa. The what's
big one.
The thorn is too much like this, no?
Yeah.
Rusa maybe there. And
Also
then,
in India, there's also different like deer we call hiran. Then the small one, the small one, the very famous. He smell very good, no? He where he go, no? He just leave the smell of his
they
body.
left the smell of body.
Yeah, we call this called I forget. Cheetal, like that cheetal.
Cheetal. But this big also three.
No, they're small.
I know. If you go there and then there's the body smell, right? No?
Yeah, very good smell.
Good.
Yeah.
I don't know. After we're looking for in the Google.
Yeah.
And then the next is the frog.
Frog is a mindak.
Mindak.
Yeah.
In Indonesia we call kodok.
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 Maybe only one thing same, no? In Indonesia and India is sabun.
Sabun.
Yeah, we call also sabun.
What is that?
No, in Hindi also sabun. Soap.
Sabun. Oh.
Also like that only sabun, same, no?
No, because the Hindi, Sanskrit, they use Sanskrit language also, no? Indonesia also, the old language is Sanskrit.
Okay.
Because India and Indonesia is the same culture.
Yeah.
Hindu Buddha before, right?
Yeah.
And then after, because coming this one, coming teaching, coming blah blah blah.
Yeah. In everywhere, no?
Like India, maybe Dravida maybe you Arya, Dravida, you understand the one?
Yeah, I'm from Arya.
Arya. Arya is a white, big, and destroyer.
Yeah.
And then Rahwana is a black, they stay in the south.
No,
Maybe
it's not.
Sri Lanka.
Ravana is not like a black. If you speak, no, it's not about color. Ravana is if you know about Ravana is a priest, very good priest, but he have a high attitude, no. So after he pray for Shiva, Lord Shiva, so he gave him blessing, like nobody kill you like that. So after he became evil, so he just
because he entered the long life like that.
Yeah. Also, he have a brother Kumkarna. He also like that, very strong.
Very strong. Because they found the bridge, no, when the Hanuman built
It's
the
Ram
bridge.
Setu. You can see on the Google also.
If you go see from the
Satellite, you can find this. Also in there, no, you can find Ravana place, the Lanka.
In the Sri Lanka,
Yeah, Lanka. They were palace of Ravana, but now it's destroyed.
Destroyed already.
But you can find the evidence, no, the foundation of that place because Hanuman burned, no, that place.
When they're looking for the Sita.
Yeah.
Sita. I don't know. We are called Sinta. Rao.
Cheetah.
You Sita, right? I mean, only the name is different, but the same person.
Yeah.
And then we go to the snail.
The snail is like a gunga.
Gunga.
Gunga. If you speak gunga, it means
Slow.
the person is not to speak. No, we call that person gunga.
Gunga.
But gunga is the snail.
Gunga is the snail, but
Gunga is a gunga.
for Idom, the one Gunga, the person is
Yeah.
silent guy.
Yeah.
No, slow.
Not the slow animal is called
Yeah,
gunga.
I mean the person, Gunga this
Who the person which never speak, no, the voice
silent.
is like the but no, I forget that one. Like that we call that one, and the person which never speak, so we call gunga.
So maybe he's not attractive with the people, no?
Yeah,
When he in the one
too much
group.
avoiding people. That one.
Okay, we go in the last word. Snake.
Snake is sap.
Sap. Sapna. What is
Sap.
sapna? No.
Sapna is a name of girl.
Oh, because in the song, sapna, na 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 na.
Sapna is a dream also. Sapna is a name also.
Oh, dream.
Yeah, dream means also sapna.
Because sometimes we listen in the, what is the lyric of the India song.
Yeah.
Sapna.
I see many Indonesian people now singing Indian song.
Of course, because is no secret. Before we like Indian movie. We like
What now?
until now. Especially people in the small place, they like it. Because the basic music of Indonesia is dandut.
Dandut.
Dandut. The basic music, the original music of Indonesia, dandut. But if you want to more go long story, the dandut they learn from the India.
Okay.
Even the way, how to say, the way, like
Okay. Turta.
they have the, what is that? The way to mention this one, make a wave the voice.
Yeah.
We call in Indonesia cengkokan.
Cangkok.
Cengkokan. I don't know in your language. But also, I listen if you are singer, there is one place in India, university or I don't know, they must be go there to learn, to study. I don't know. The
So there's
university is very old
There's too much old university now also.
because almost of big singer, they must be go there to learn for the voice,
Yeah.
how to voice and how to breathe, how to announce out like that. Very good. Okay, enough for today. Ciao, thank you,
Ciao,
and
thank you.
successful for Subang.
And you put in Facebook or you put in YouTube?
No, YouTube.
So like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.